You'll never guess what I found.
Look what I found.
This is the best day of my life. A whole packet of Micey Gibbon cards. How lucky are we? Check out this guy, a beak gibbon. They have such big beaks. Wow, a flaggy Dexy drawn. These are the ones that can defeat scrungos with their electric heads. A Sneem! Wow, this card is so rare.
I never even thought I would see a Sneem. Oh, it's,
Dennis? It's a Dennis. He must have major secret skills. Look at his t-shirt, buttoned right up to the top. That's a serious look. We've overdoodled. Hold on, we drew 2 onions with legs. Let's just rub one of them out to make room for more doodles. Great, now we can doodle some more. Oof, all this doodling has made me hungry. Hey, where's our food? Well, maybe just some juice then. Hey, the juice is gone too. Pencil, something funny is going on here. A clue. Pencil, it's time for your magic to help solve this mystery. Doodle-doodle-doo. This is a very suspicious smudge, Pencil. Another clue, Pencil. I think this is a job for Detective Doodle. That's me.
oh dear, oh dear, oh dear.
Little, what's wrong?
Doodle Girl, I'm so glad you're here.
Today, I'm Detective Doodle.
That's perfect, Detective Doodle, because I've lost all my bird seed. I put it down right here, but now it's gone. Oh, thank you.
Hang on a second. If the lines in this stave tell you what notes to play, how come I hear a different note each time I pass you by?
Well, without our clef at the start of our stave, we don't know what notes go where. There's lots of different kinds. Bass clefs, treble clefs.
Oh, then I know what to do. Doodle-doodle-doo. Psst, Colin, what does a treble clef look like?
Well, let's see. It starts off with a swirly bit, then up, then left a bit. No, not that left, my left. And then little line at the bottom, I think. Not quite. Let's try again.
I got it. Colin, you and your friends like to arrange yourselves in different patterns, right?
We suppose we do. Why?
Well, let's think outside the stave for a second.
Oh, okay. Ready, Doodle Girl? Start right here.
Let's join some dots.
Now here, Doodle Girl. Here. Now here. Me next. Over here. 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 Over here, Doodle Girl. And then it's me, Doodle Girl.
All done.
Doodle Girl, it's gorgeous.
Your room is up here, Doodle Girl.
Yeesh, you weren't kidding about the top of the castle. But the sooner I get there, the sooner I can sleep.
That's the spirit.
I must be nearly there by now. What? How?
Oh, I think you took a wrong turn. Try again.
Okay, here we go. So tired.
You're not giving up, are you?
No, I never give up. But sometimes I need a little extra help. Okay, Pencil, time for your magic. Doodle-doodle-doo. Here we go.
Oh!
Now, this is more like it. Oh, we still haven't seen anything.
Oh, aye, that'll be the beast from the deep herself.
That's an otter.
An otter? No, is it? Jem, I told you to stay under the water.
Something fishy is going on here, Pencil. Hey, are you okay? You're looking a bit green.
Well, look at that. It's the end of the page. Tour over.
What? What about seeing the Loch Ness monster?
Well, nothing is guaranteed. Monsters are very unpredictable.
Have you seen the monster?
No. But I've heard stories about it, and an otter's got to make a living. Although business has been bad lately. That's why I hired Jem. Oh, that was a mistake.
You can't say that there's a monster if there isn't one and charge fish.
Does a fishing rod count?
It's untruthful.
I know. You're right. But what's an otter with a boat to do instead?
Doodle-doodle-doo. Let's just go fishing.
Mac Otter's Misty Loch fishing trips. Might just work.
Told ya.
Zebra and jellyfish. We're going to need a bigger boat. Is that right? We're going to need a larger vessel. We'll be having one big fish supper for dinner tonight. The Loch Ness monster.
It's real.
Oh, if only I could get a photograph.
No problem. Doodle-doodle-doo. Say cheese.
Okay. All right, there's no sign of the bear. Oof.
Yeah, see you. Maybe she didn't like our Funky Bird song mashup. Ooh, I bet she's more of a classical gal.
I don't know what made that bear grumpy. And I don't want to hang around to find out.
You're right. Let's take our dance party to go. I'll just pack up my tent and we...
Bear! Ah! Run! Quick, behind here.
That was so weird. Why was that bear hiding behind my tent?
You don't think she's following us, do you?
What? No way. Nah. Not in a billion years, no.
Shh.
What? I'm just not convinced.
Well, she's clearly looking for something. And we're the only something around here.
Okay, then. I'm sensing you're not comfortable. So...
What are you drawing?
Speed lines. They'll help us look cool as we skedaddle. Let's go!
Everywhere we go, that bear is there. How are we ever going to get away?
Guess there's nothing for it but to...
Doodle Girl?
Yep, it's me. I camouflaged myself. I'm a bush.
It's brilliant. Can you do me too? And then we can sneak away unseen.
Sure. We need lots and lots and lots of leaves.
How do I look?
Great. Where are we?
This program is called Digital Doodle 2.0, the latest in digital drawing software.
I have no idea what that means. Could you tell me how to change my colours back?
Of course. It's been a while since anyone has asked me for anything. Just a quick search. Move the arrow to the paint can icon and select the color you would like. Then click where you want it to go.
Wow! How do we go back, Andy?
No worries. Just click the undo icon right over there.
Lovely. I'm me again. Thanks, Pencil. Now let's have some fun.
Fun? I don't know what fun means.
I can show you how to have fun if you tell me all about this place.
Sure.
What should we try next?
You could duplicate things by using that stamp tool.
Cool. Let's duplicate my head. Whoa, I don't know about this. I'll keep one. You can undo the others. Whoa, I nearly lost my head.
Oh no! I messed it up again!
You just need to practice, Stompers. For now, the way it looks suits you. You just need to be confident.
Okay, just gotta be confident. Let's do this. Come on, Stompers. Let's go. Huh? What are those?
Who's that?
That's the judge. They're the stylosaur that decides the winner soar.
Thank you, one and all, for another wonderful style-off. Today's winner is... it says here, go, go.
Stompers, I'm sorry.
You know what, Doodle Girl? I'm happy Saurus. Thanks to you, I learned to be confident and have fun, even when I could use more practice.
You know, Stompers, for a second I thought you had me. That new style of yours. I like it. Bold, brave, unrefined.
Hear that, Stompers? You keep on practicing and maybe you'll win next time.